Okay, what do we have here? Oh, driver immediately says it's been out of control. Oh! No! Hits the black car. McLaren is smacking himself up against the... Uh-oh. What do we have here? Lamborghini? No! What was the driver thinking? No! Okay, another Lambo. Takes off. Spins out of control. No! He smacked up against the wall. No, this whole front of the car is messed. Oh man. Okay, what do we have here? Doing donuts in the intersection. Let's see what can happen. A cop! The cop catches him! Pulls away. Oh my gosh. A little burnout with the truck. Oh, the cop gets him again. Okay, look at the dude's wheel. Oh, this could go wrong. Oh!
Oh my god.
Oh! No! Oh!
Yo, before the video continues, make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe, and turn post notifications on. Enjoy the video. Alright, what do we have here? Oh no! The Jeep just drove right into the water. That's not good at all. Oh no. Keep thinking. Driver jumps out of the car. No. Why are they laughing? Okay, let's see what happens here. The front of us, right? Oh my god. The front windshield is shaking. A lot of bass. Holy. Wow. Okay.
Hop in!
Driver's got... Let's see what happens. Driver got hydraulics. Look at her jump up and down in there. No! Red car just smacked.
That was scary.
Alright, what's happening here? Got a blue car, Subaru. Driving. Oh! No! Hit the curb. Tire goes sideways. That's not good at all. Alright. Swerving in between wheels here. Alright. And then going too fast around the corner, smacks the... Oh! Lost the whole back half. Wow.